folks, welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue our greenhouse build, and we finished the painting on the outside, or Allison did, and she's pretty much got the painting on the inside done, so hopefully this will all be the same video. All the things she likes in there is the floor, so hopefully she'll get that. And we got to paint some trim that I bought tonight. We got to go around the windows, but anyway, we're starting the siding here, and it's just a clear. I decided to upgrade to a polycarbonate. I was going to use the PVC. It's cheaper, but I was afraid that if it gets over 120 degrees it turns brown. So it was about $60 more for this, so I thought, well, I mean, if I buy that cheaper, just save $60 and it turns brown, it ain't doing no good. I'll have to replace it all. So I just went and spent the money and got the polycarbonate. This is different than the ones I got on the roof. This is a corrugated all the way across. When I go on the roof's like a metal roof design, and it's quite a bit more expensive than this. So anyway, I got the first piece up and I got it level and cut out around that window. It works out good on this window, and I'm going to show you how I screw this just like doing metal roofing. I'm just using metal roofing screws and just screw it in there. So I'm probably not going to do the whole thing until I kind of get it up. Until I get it all up, and then I'll go back, because I just want to make sure it all works out. They also make some things that go in the ends, and I'll do that at a later date. So it's actually harder to cut than the stuff I got on the roof. And I thought this wouldn't take very long to do, but it's going to take a little bit. So I'm going to continue on with the next piece, and I might go around and do the other side and do the bottom, kind of go around that way. So let me think about it. So we'll come back when we get the other piece up. Okay, I got another row up on this one, just kind of temporaried in, and I might have to quit for the night, but this is not the end of the video. I gotta go feed and I gotta get some hay down in the barn. But one thing I just found out is this thing's got a tag on it, and that's the side that goes out. Luckily I did that, so sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. So if you get this stuff, it's Sun Tough. I got it at Home Depot. The little tag here goes, little label here goes outside. So I don't know what difference is. Probably got some kind of coating on it or something. So anyway, all right, so I'm going to screw this up a little bit more, and then I'm going to go do my chores, and we'll be back here tomorrow. Okay, so I got all siding up, or we did, me and my wife, and I started yesterday in the early part of this video. We got a few pieces up, then I took off work about 1, so it is now about 4 o'clock. So it took us 3 hours to finish it on out, and you see how it looks there. We're really happy with it. When we started yesterday, I was cutting it with some snips, and it's really tough to cut. So last night I went on the website, and they said to get a fine cut circular saw blade and turn it backwards. So I stopped and bought one on the way home, and I'll show you that in just a second. So I stopped and got I think it's a 40 tooth blade, and it's on there backwards right now, and that's what they said to do. So I've got the battery disabled so it won't start. But and then it cut really good. It really sped things up a whole lot. I thought it was going to take forever doing it the way we did, so you know, about 3 hours, about 4 hours to do it all. So it's not too bad, and You know, there's nothing special. Like I showed you yesterday, it's just like putting a roof on. You just hold it up there and we put some screws to it. So, and we use the screws with a little washer. So I think it looks really good. It's really warm on the inside. I'm gonna go get my exhaust fan and put it in real quick, and I'll show you all that. Then we'll look inside. And so the only thing we got left to do on the outside is I'm gonna put trim around the windows. We just got that painted today, so that'll probably be tomorrow in the next video. And I gotta put a little trim around this door on the inside and make it like a little stop. So we'll do that and paint it, and I'll show you that afterwards. But now I'm gonna go down there and get my exhaust fan that's down at the barn. So I'm gonna go get it, and I'll be right back and we'll put it in. And that will seal the outside. So everything should be good to go as far as weather-wise. And we're supposed to get some big rain tomorrow, the next day. So it's gonna be a good test. That's why I wanted to hurry up and do it, and that's why I didn't film it, because usually when you film it takes 3 or 4 times as long. But I will go get that and we'll put that up real quick, and I don't think it should take that long, and I'll show you what we're gonna do on the inside. Side note, the old flock started laying yesterday pretty good. I got 3 eggs. Look how much different color they are. This is my new flock, and they lay pretty dark brown eggs. Look how these are like a cream. But I like that, it's interesting. Okay, I got it, and I just screwed it in there, and I have to run the electric for it. I'm gonna put a thermostat in there and a couple of outlets anyway, so I got to run some from the garage over here for that. But I'm gonna also trim around it. When I trim the windows, I'm gonna trim around that too, so make it look a little better. So, but I want it kind of like that, kind of protected from the weather. That's why I went with the big overhang too. So. All right, let's go inside and I'll show you what we've done, or what Allison's done, and show you our plans for the benches and stuff. So this is the inside, and it's really, feel the temperature difference already in here. It feels really good. Kind of chilly outside right now because of the wind, but anyway, she's painted all this white, and then she started the floor today, and she's going to put another coat on the floor. And that's why I'm going to wait on putting the benches up, or the slats for the benches. So, and this right here is the trim. Now this is not a bench. This right here is for the trim around the windows, and this piece right here is going to go back here for my gutter. So this is just sitting here temporary. What I'm going to use for my benches is we had some leftover short pieces of that from the screened-in porch, and it's a composite. So I'm going to put them. Some will be this way, and then these back ones will be this way. So I think it's going to look really good, a little good contrast and everything, and they should last forever. And I'll show you when I put those down, because I'm going to leave spaces and stuff, and I'll explain all that when I do it. Now right over here is where I'm going to put my potting bench, and right in this spot right here. And I'll probably put that in this weekend. I'm going to let her paint that and paint again, and I'll move my potting bench out here. I might build me some shelves right over in this corner here to put all my plastic stuff. So we'll see how it goes when I put the bench in here and see how much room I got. So feels really good in here though. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Signs up, it's all buttoned up. Our next step will be interior. Of course I got to frame around the windows a little bit, and hopefully we'll start putting some plants or some seeds in the soil. So I sent off for all my seeds. I know we watched a video a couple videos back, so it should be coming in any day. So anyway, hope you liked the video. We're getting closer to this being completion, and I'll probably do a video with it all from start to finish, speed frame thing. So when I get it all done, so getting closer. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you having a little patience with it on this build. It's getting kind of hard to work now. We have to work, all day for 8 hours. Then when we get home, it gets kind of dark early. So we only have about, maybe an hour and 15 minutes to work, and then I still got to do my chores. So anyway, we're gonna get it. I'm not complaining. We're lucky to have all this. So hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.